Hey guys, hope you are doing well and welcome to another new video. And this is Arman Niloy. In the previous video I talking about 6 tips for getting the best auto loan rates, and this video today I talking 3 types of insurance you should consider before buying a home. I hope you guys enjoy all the video. If you guys enjoy all the video but you do not subscribe our channel yet, please play the subscribe our YouTube channel, get more video like this. This video is very informative, so guys, let's start this video. Okay, today I know 3 types of insurance you need to buy a home, but first we see that the title of insurance. Normally this is not even a question because it's almost always mandatory when you are getting a mortgage. But if you are paying all cash, you have the options of skipping on title insurance. You should not. Title insurance ensures both the lender and the owner financial interests in the home are protected against loss due to title defects, lines, or the matters say Lanny Jamson's. Okay, it's especially important to get the title insurance in transactions like short sales and forced sellers, which often carry the high risk of some kinds of tax lien being attached to the property. Title insurance is going to safeguard against your needing to pay for lines and will ensure the title is clear, so no one down the road could claim they own the property and file a lawsuit. If you are some reasons you are dead set against getting title insurance, Jamson suggests you should the least get a lawyer to thoroughly check the property history to ensure there could be a future claims to title. Okay guys, today we discuss 3 types of insurance you should consider before buying a home. The number of 1 types homeowner insurance. This in conclusion, like title insurance, this is another one that's not required if you own the house outright. You will need to have it with a mortgage, but it is necessary. Homeowner insurance covers for you a variety of things like fires and storms. You will want it even if you are not legally required to have it. Eric Cousins, the man's agency principles of Insure Pro, a Washington State Insure Agency, cites an examples of a wealthy homeowner who had paid off his house and figured since he had never had a insurance claims, he would save himself the $700 a year in premium. Then some kids near his home started a fire which got out of control and burned down several houses including his. It cost the homeowner about $450,000 in damages. Consider this is a cautionary tale. Okay, the number of 2, extra moving insurance. This is bare bones federally mandated moving coverage offer just 60 cents per pound of an item, and this is known as released value protections. So if something breaks and that's your only coverage, you would not get back the full cost of the item, just what calculates under the coverage limits. There are also full value protections which can be purchased from the moving company, but you need to specify which items are worth more than $100 per pound. The moving company can to repair the items back to its original state or give you the fair market value of the item, not necessarily what you paid for it. plus full value protections excludes items over 5,000 US dollar for this instead of released value protections. It will be more than released value, but it's worth it. If you are moving some really valuable stuff, you can purchase extra insurance from a third party insurance provider. This typically costs 100 US dollar per 10,000 US dollars of coverage. And the number of last, the three numbers, food insurance. It depends on where you live to how lucky you feel. Food insurance is tricky one. Requirement for food insurance can be mandatory for homes in flood prone areas. Otherwise, it optional. The biggest problems with food insurance is you do not know you need it until it's too late. Last year, flash floods is Texas and Oklahoma was home away. In 2012, Hurricane Sandy hit the northeast and left thousands in low or moderate risk flood zones with water damaged homes. Torrential rain and fake storms can happen anywhere. If you are not in a designated flooding area, it is still a wise idea to get flood insurance, and typically it is very affordable if you are not in a low lying area, Jamson says. And the last, so it is this one's sort of toes up. If you have it, may never need it, but it ought to really need and then have not have it. A similar argument can be made of earthquake insurance. And the last we also know that, and this is very important, private mortgage insurance. So for most loan, private mortgage insurance is mandatory if you have a 20% down payment, but if you can put down or at least that amount, it's well worth doing. Avoid PMI. The reason mortgage insurance benefits only the lender, it does nothing for you. So let's rid of it quickly and cheaply as possible. Some options to avoid PMI include lender paid PMI and single payment PMI. And the last we know mortgage protections, life insurance. In case you die while you are still paying off a mortgage, this insurance is supposed to make sure your family is financially covered when it comes to paying your mortgage, but it's basically pointless. I would say a general rule that mortgage life insurance or mortgage protection insurance is unnecessary, says David Rises, a law professor specializing in real estate as Brookly Law School. Rises say customers are generally better served by a cheap term insurance policy from a well-rated insurance company, and you will generally get more protections per minimum dollar with a term life insurance policy. Okay, guys, today I need some informations and three types of insurance you should consider before buying a home. So guys, this video is helpful to you. Please like this video, comment this video and share your friends, and lastly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys.